Hey guys, it's Sundere. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a kind of tutorial format video for you. I did a poll on Instagram and a lot of people said yes, that they wanted a tutorial to see how I did this style of cut crease and this technique. I just wanted to point out that you will need to be really patient and blend and go back with different brushes. It does take a bit of practice, but hopefully this will help you out if you want to try this sort of style of eye makeup. Yeah, I'm still trying to get things down pat as well, so we're going to go through the struggle together. Without further ado, let's get right onto the video. So the first thing you want to do is prime your lid. So I'm just taking concealer and I'm only going to try and prime like the top of my lid. I don't want to do the entire thing, just because like there's a lot of concealer in cut creases, and just try and avoid like cakiness as much as possible. Sometimes you just can't avoid things, as you can see here, depending on my eyelid shape. So the whole point of this video is to show you guys the technique into creating this. Ignore that, that'll get better, don't worry. So I'm going to start with the lightest color, which is going to technically be your transition shade. So I'm taking the lightest blue that I will be using and I'm going to press the color in. I'm not going to swipe or anything, I'm going to press the color in. This way we can get as much color payoff as possible and also set your concealer or eyelid primer. And I'm also going to press the color out so it's slightly wings like this. So we get that wing kind of shape going. So once I'm happy with the color, I'm going to take a fluffier brush with just a tiny bit of that blue, and I'm going to lightly blend out. I'm not going to blend high up, I'm just going to smoke out the color on top, as we're going to put a yellow on top. So I'm going to take a different fluffy brush with a yellow, and that's just going to lightly dust over the blue. You're going to get a little bit of a greenish aqua turquoise color. That's fine, that's what you want. And you want a little bit of the yellow peeping through at the top. The whole purpose of the yellow is to soften out the blue just a bit more. I'm going to emphasize on light here. I'm literally holding the brush at the tip so I don't get a lot of pigment on there. Like I said, a light dusting. I'm going to just go through it again with a bit more of the light blue on that second fluffy brush that you used. Next I'm taking a kind of flatter but it's still fluffy sort of brush with the second darkest color. What I love about this brush is you can pack stuff on but also blend at the same time. It's great. I'm taking the darkest blue just on the same brush, or your darkest color, and again really lightly. I just tapped into those dark blues again on my second fluffy brush, and again holding it at the tip. Oh, it's gotten hot in here. Jeez. If you've never cut your crease before, I'll just give you a couple tips to make the process a lot easier. Take your concealer and your concealer brush, and depending on how far you want to cut your crease, like if you want a half cut crease, then don't go any further than here. We're gonna do a full cut crease, obviously. So I'm going to just pat the color along the bottom of my eyelid. And then look up, look down, and that's kind of where you gotta shape your cut crease. Go really slow, because you want it to be precise. I'm still trying to get the hang of it. This is just how I do it. So I'm not gonna bring the concealer down to here, I'm gonna bring it out to here. really annoying eyelid shape. So like I have the worst shape of cut crease you could possibly think of. But that's just how I was made. So I used a couple different shadows to get this color, but you're welcome to use any sort of shimmer you want. I'm going to take a really flat brush with that dark blue on the tip, and I'm going to kind of outline the cut crease. This gives me an opportunity to also fix up the shape. I'm gonna lightly bring the color just up a little bit in the inner corner, and then I'm actually gonna go in with a dark brown, like the smallest bit. It has been outlined. For your eyeliner, you kind of just want to follow the shape of the wing that's sort of here. You don't want it to be too thick. Alright, now I'm just going to go off and do my base and maybe put on some lashes. Yeah. I'll be right back. Alright, so I've done my base, done my contour, my blush, and my highlight. Contour and blush is just from the James Charles Morphe palette, and the highlight is Silver Millennium from the Colourpop Midnight palette. It's just kind of my favorite contour blush highlight combo at the moment. But yeah, onto lashes. I am going to be using Hoshi AU Tsundere lashes. I've only put mascara on my top lashes. I'll put mascara on my bottom lashes once we finish the bottom portion of the eyeshadow. So for your lash line, just kind of replicate, not completely, but just gonna take that light blue. Gonna take that brush with the dark blues. Then the yellow. For the lips, I am going to try to do like an ombre. You guys made it to the end of the video. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I was able to explain things properly enough for you to follow along. With a bit of practice, you'll get this down pat quite quickly. You know, it'll probably take you about 30 minutes to do both eyes. But yeah, just have fun with it. Try a different color out. I did pink the other day for Bunny Diva, and that was really nice. I'd love to see maybe a green or even like black and gray. That would be awesome. My lashes that I'm using are from Hoshi AU. Use Tsundere 10 for 10% off. And the wig is Tiffany Blue from Mirror Pass. Oh my god. It's so nice. I'll leave those links in the description below as usual. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at tsubunniittv, and you can also check out my Twitch and Twitter. They'll all be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, please like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. It really does help me a lot. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!